Today we will discuss about Windows common shortcut keys. Windows keyboard shortcuts. Ctrl+A. It is used to select all text. Ctrl+X. It cuts the selected item. Ctrl+C. It is used to copy selected data. Ctrl+End. Go to the end of a document. Ctrl+S. Open the Save as a dialog box. Ctrl+C. Undo the last action. Ctrl+N. Open a new window/document. Ctrl+F. It starts the Find utility. Ctrl+P. Open the Print dialog box. Ctrl+V. It is used to paste all text. Home. Takes the user to the start of the current line. End. This is used to go to the end of the current line. Ctrl+Y. This redo the last action. Ctrl+K. It insert hyperlink for the selected text.